Hello, hi, and welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, hello guys, I am Anne and I'm super excited that you decided to watch this video of mine. This video will again be a part of my festive edition videos which have gone out throughout December. I have short videos and I have uploaded it on YouTube for the whole month. So right now, like you can see, this is the hospital setup, and yeah, that's where we're at. So yeah, so I just didn't want to waste time, and I'm really bored, so I thought I will do a product review of a very beautiful range of products. Winter is around the corner and skincare is extremely important. If you've been following my channel and my videos, you guys know how much I emphasize on the importance of skincare. So skincare is extremely important, and especially around the winter, you have to keep your skin hydrated. So hashtag stay hydrated, guys. So I have the Color Bars hemp range with me. They have 3 products. They've launched 3 products. I have all the 3 products right here with me. The products are very nice. I love hemp as an ingredient by itself. They also have vitamin C in all their products. Yeah, the cream, the oil and the serum, all 3 have vitamin C, and hemp and vitamin C both are beautiful ingredients. They are ingredients I absolutely love. So if you are looking for a good range or a few good products you can buy for the winters, you can definitely check this out. I can't use this hand of mine, so I'm just going to be picking up the products with this hand. This is the hemp serum. Okay, it says it is a restoring and balancing milk serum, so that is a serum. Then we have a beautiful face oil. Again, it is hemp with vitamin C. Then we have their balancing moisturizer. Okay, so that the packaging is beautiful, it's very sturdy. I love the product. It is too late to give a review of the product, but I will be applying the products on my face and you can see how it looks. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. I hope you all are doing safe and fine. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please take 2 seconds to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the like button if you like my video. The link to all these products will be in my description box as usual, and my other video links will also be in my description box, so I will be more than happy if you can check it out. So yeah, let us jump right into applying the product. Now first I am going to be going in with the face oil. So we're supposed to use products according to the consistency. So we'll use the face oil first, and then we will go in with the serum and then the moisturizer. Or you can use a serum, moisturizer and then face oil also, but I'm going to be doing this. So first we're just going to be picking up, this is how the bottle looks. It's very, very beautiful and it's very nice. So we're just going to be taking a little bit of the product. Okay, I'm just going to directly put it on my face because I can't use both my hands, sadly. Like you can see, it instantly just brightened up the face like what all face oils do. My face feels extremely hydrated. If you just want to buy one product from this range, I would definitely suggest this face oil. I am someone who loves face oils, and other than Plum, I didn't find any other brand that has face oil, so I'm extremely happy with this product. I mean, good job, Color. Okay, I've directly put the product on my face and we're just going to gently massage this in. Okay, I waited for like a few seconds after using the face oil so the product gets in, so I suggest you guys do that. Okay, I love how hydrating and how nice my skin is looking. So next we will just let this product sit on our face for like 5 to 10 seconds and then move in with the moisturizer. Okay, next again I have directly put the moisturizer on my face. Okay, I am done with the moisturizer. I suggest you go over it with a sunscreen because it has vitamin C, so it makes your skin photosensitive. Otherwise also, please do use a sunscreen even if it's winters. Please don't skip using a sunscreen because I am at the hospital right now. I didn't pack my sunscreen in my bag, so which is why I'm not going to be using it. But when my brother comes, I think I'll ask him to get sunscreen and I will definitely apply it. So please do use a sunscreen like I always tell you. With this, we come to the end of the video. I hope you liked my product reviews. I haven't actually reviewed the product, but I've given you a first impression. I did use this like once or twice before and I really loved it, which is why I thought I would make this video. So the products are again very nice. If you really just want one product, I would suggest you to go with this face oil. It is absolutely beautiful. You don't need anything else after the face oil, and the products just get absorbed into the skin. Like you can see, my skin is not oily at all. Doesn't look oily, but then it feels super hydrated. So that is about it. I hope you liked watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you have something to tell me or if you want me to make any other videos, please do leave it in the comment section. And yeah, please stay safe and take care of yourself. I hope you all have an amazing festive season. My festive videos are lined up, so please do stay tuned for that. I will see you super soon in another video. Yeah, and I just wanted to add one point. I will be using these products throughout December, and in Jan, when I'm making my next video, I will tell you all, if you know, how the products worked and how it is and all of that. So that detailed a detailed review of how this product is, how it works on the skin, whether it helps with pigmentation or whether it's just, you know, hydrating, does it work on any like face problems, all of that I will tell you after using it. I need to use it at least for a month. I've been using it just for a few days, so after that I will be telling you guys that. So that is one thing I wanted to add. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.